In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new Bitbucket repository. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can set up a clean, well-named repository with the right default branch and get ready to collaborate smoothly with your team. Start by opening your browser and heading to bitbucket.org. Once you're on your Bitbucket home screen, look toward the top of the page for the Create button. It's usually prominent in the header and it's your starting point for making new things in your workspace. Click that, and from the menu that appears, choose Repository. This tells Bitbucket you want to create a brand new code repository rather than something like a project or a snippet. You'll land on a setup form. Here, you can choose which project the repository belongs to. In Bitbucket, a project is a way to group related repositories under a single umbrella, which helps with organization, permissions, and search. If your workspace already has multiple projects, pick the one that matches the product, team, or initiative this repository supports. If you're unsure or just getting started, select the default project so you can reorganize later if needed. The key is to keep your repos grouped in a way that makes sense to your team. Next, enter the repository name. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects the code it will hold. Many teams prefer lowercase with hyphens instead of spaces, like Web API or Mobile App iOS. Avoid vague names and try to keep it short but meaningful. Good naming reduces confusion and makes it easier for others to find the repo quickly. Now set the default branch name. The default branch is the primary branch Bitbucket will show first and use for pull requests and merges. Many teams use main as the modern default, while some still use master or a team-specific naming convention. Match whatever your team standard is. This matters because it influences automation, CI/CD pipelines, and branch protections later on. When everything looks right, project selected, repository name set, and default branch chosen, click Create Repository. Bitbucket will create the repo and take you to its overview page. There, you'll see quick start information, including commands you can use to add your existing code or start a new project locally. You can copy those details later when you're ready to push your first commit. That's all you need to create a new Bitbucket repository. Keep your naming consistent, place your repo in the correct project, and choose a default branch that matches your team's workflow. You're now set up for a clean, organized start.